On the 13th of December 2023, the traffic police in East Khasi Hills took decisive action against noise pollution by demolishing loud silencers from both four- and two-wheelers using a road roller at the police reserve in Shillong. This initiative, aimed at enhancing public safety, was part of ongoing efforts that began in January this year, resulting in the removal of modified silencers from 181 vehicles out of the 320 identified in East Khasi Hills District. The destruction was carried out in the presence of the Superintendent of Police, East Khasi Hills, Sylvester Nongtynger, and SP City, Vivek Syiem.
Shillong teams is working hard to seize all this modified silencer. So you have since this year we started from January until date. We have seized 320 we have detected. But then we have seized 181. Previously, when we detected, we request the owner to to remove on their own. But then we realized that later that some are again using it. So when we realized that, then now we have seized this 181, so which will be destroyed shortly now, and the STP will continue to detect all the modified silencer which is not authorized by law. So we'll continue to do that, and right now, which is, and fine also
12 lakhs for this year only, 12 lakhs 46,500.
Okay, for this year we realized fines from all these modified silencer about 12 lakhs 46,500, and that has been deposited to the government checker, yes, the treasury. So that's all, and when we crash again next time, we'll call you again. Yeah, thank you.
So silencers are for the four-wheelers or mix?
Mix both the two-wheelers as well as the four-wheelers, but maximum are from the two-wheelers. These people clarify on
As per
that.
MV Act 2, we are taking the alteration. So as per alteration, each alteration 5,000 fine as per MV Act. So we did as per the alteration in MV Act.
What we want to tell the people, those who are using vehicles, that either four-wheelers or two-wheelers, that they should not alter anything. Whatever they bought from the company, that it should be, they should not feed with these modified silencers or even the tinted glass also that will come later. So they should not alter anything. They should use the vehicle whatever they receive from the company, and we'll do it crushing today. Perhaps maybe in future we'll do that. Maybe we can sell to the scrap this and that. But then as of now, we want to show to the people that we mean business and we are crushing it, and we are not, because somebody says that perhaps we are resale it, no? So we are not doing that, and you have seen with your own eyes that we'll crush it, and it cannot be reused again. Okay? So that is the message, is that the people should not modify anything. They should use whatever the vehicles has been made by the company, either four-wheelers or two-wheeler.
I just want to add to Sir's thing. There has been a public outcry against these modified exhaust pipes and all that. It has become a social nuisance whereby there's a lot of noise, especially at unearthly hours. And this noise is troublesome for children who are studying at night, for senior citizens and all that. It is very disturbing. And one vehicle or two-wheeler with modified exhaust pipe causes the kind of noise which is actually unbearable. People lose sleep. People they cannot have attend to their studies properly and all that. So this has become, there's been a lot of actually outcry about this and all that. And public, one thing I'd like to thank the public also actually who have given us this information. They would send us numbers, they would send us information over our 112 and also directly to us, for which we have been able to seize all these things. So we appreciate the public support and also the help rendered.